And of course, orang see all the success now. But behind the scene, apa benda yang really broke you? Yeah, how do you handle when those time come?
So I dah cerita hari tadi pasal MCO, pasal
Tapi macam bila I jumpa you, tak nampak pun you tengah stress ke, nampak macam okay ke kan. And apa yang make you stronger, and also you face the world and show the world that you're okay.
As an entrepreneur, you know, as a leader, kita have to actually show our confident face lah, because not just people look at us, our team look at us as well. Kalau kita down, nanti team kita lagi akan down. We have to show them example lah. We have to show them example. But of course, we have to take care of our mental health as well. And I think by having like-minded people, ni I suka lah. Having you as my friend, and then having a few others like-minded people yang buat business juga, and they actually go through the same thing. So bila you berbual dengan orang, bila you share your problem dengan orang, it feels normal lah. So bila feels normal, so then your mental health tu okay sikit lah. Ni benda biasa lah. Betul, tengok dia orang ni naik balik.
Betul, dia ni lagi teruk pun kan.
Tahu ada lagi teruk, kena jual rumah, kena jual kereta. But then lepas few years naik balik. Naik balik. And also maybe I want to put it here as well, having a good faith lah. It's actually ni, percaya dengan rezeki Allah. All of us have rezeki, we have to try and then put tawakal dekat Allah.